In this screencast, we are going to output a PDF file from our InDesign document for print. So as you can see, I've got just a simple, it's actually a 2-page document here. I've got a 6x9 postcard, front and back, and notice that whenever I set up my document, I indicated that I wanted to have a bleed on it. And just remember, bleed is the location that we pull all of our images out to if they're going to extend to the edge of our document. So I've got my bleed specified in my document already. So what I'm going to do is go to the File menu, go to Export, and give this a name, PDF Print Demo, save it to my desktop, and make sure that Adobe PDF for print is selected. There are other options here. We want a PDF for print. Save. And in the resulting dialog, we have a few decisions to make. And I'm just going to briefly run through these without getting into a lot of detail. So if you're going to just output to any commercial desktop printer, home printer, or in your school department or in your office, high quality print will be fine as a starting preset. For commercial output though, usually press quality or any of the PDFX workflows are what we're going to want to use here. For our purposes, we're just going to use press quality, but know that a lot of commercial printers will specify a specific PDFX workflow, sometimes with modifications. So we're going to select press quality, and this is going to set our compression and everything for our document resolution correctly for print. The next thing, then we're going down here the marks and bleeds, and we're going to turn on all printer's marks, which is going to give us crop marks, bleed marks, registration, etc. And remember, I pointed out that we had specified this bleed already in our document, so we're just going to select to use document bleed settings, and you'll see that it applies those by default. If we hadn't specified that bleed area when we set up the document, we would have to manually set this, but because we did the work beforehand, we can just check the box. Take a quick look here. Pages, because we just have 2 pages, a front and a back. Pages is what we want to have set. If we were outputting for proofing of a booklet or a document, we might choose spreads so we can see the reader spreads. But again, for our purposes and what we're producing here, it's just pages. And that's it. So we're going to go ahead and export this PDF. Watch it spin. And now we can PDF print demo. This is what we just created. Let's open that up. And you'll see here's our 2-page PDF. And we have our bleed marks, our trim marks, in case our bleed, as well as our other printer-specific color bars and information.